I'd like to introduce him. Well, he's a friend. He's a writer. He used to be a newspaper publisher. Well, he still publishes newspaper, radio show. He's a gentleman who wrote our book, which is called Good Night, Sweetheart, Good Night, Story of the Spaniels, which is being sold in the corner over there. Mr. Dick Carter and his wife in the corner there. And there's a lot of people we can introduce here. We got a few that we're going to introduce, but I wanted to start with him. And what are we doing? For some reason I come here, I don't know. I never know what we sing until they tell me. So they just told me we're going to do a tune here that somebody told me a while ago, said, hey, you stole that tune from the, what was that? Cadillacs, yeah. We didn't steal this tune. We just sit there and listen to them sing and we went and recorded it. It's a tune entitled Stormy Weather. I don't know why.
Don't know why.
There's no sun up in the sky. It's stormy weather.
Stormy weather.
Since me and my gal ain't been together. And it keeps raining all the time. Well, life's been so bad. And gloom and misery's everywhere. It's stormy weather. Since me and my girl ain't been together. And it keeps raining all the time. Since you went away, the blues walked in and met me. If you don't come back and stay, oh, can you get me? All I do is pray that the Lord above let me
walk in the sun.
I can't go on. Everything I have is gone. It's stormy weather. Since me and my gal ain't been together. And it keeps raining all the time. Raining all the time. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.